Sri K.P. Agrawal High School English Medium, TISA. I am Manisha Vyas and today I conduct your digital media through class in Standard 8 English subject. The first poem is Water Dance Part 1. This poem is specially belongs to different forms of water. You know that water is many things. Because of without water we can't guess our life. The poet says, some people says that I am one thing and other says I am many. We know that water is many, but called we are water. So today we are learn the different forms of water. How many forms of water? So in this poem we have a 4 to 5 the stanza and different forms of water we are studying about it. Some people says I am one thing and other says I am many things. So we know that. Of course कुछ लोग कहते हैं पानी बहुत कुछ है and some says कहते हैं कि पानी है वो एक ही thing है, पानी है, लेकिन उसके forms अलग अलग हैं. I have been moving in the endless circle. Sometimes I fall from the sky. Who am I? I am the rain. Yes. Water हमारे साथ since उस टाइम से है जब अर्थ का टाइम मेंशन भी नहीं है हमारे पास, तब से वो हमारे साथ है. एक एंडलेस सर्कल की तरह वो एवरी टाइम हमारे साथ हमारे आसपास मूविंग है. और समटाइम्स पोएट सेज ये जो वाटरफॉल्स हैं वो स्काई से आता है. सो इसका तो एक ही फॉर्म हुआ रेन, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टाइम इज मानसून सीजन एंड यू नो दैट रेन इज फ्रॉम वेयर कमिंग फ्रॉम. सेकंड स्टांजा, sometime I cascade, I tumble down and down over the moss covered rocks through the forest shadow. Who am I? Of course, this is the mountain stream. Because of, you know that water is in different types of coming from through by us, but this type is water is from cascade. Now you ask me, what is the cascade, ma'am? What is the meaning of cascade? So the meaning of cascade is waterfall in series. When water continuously coming from us, it's called cascade. It's tumble down and it's always cover the moss cover area by forest. Moss means the planet grass, the plain grass, green or yellow grass. So where around of trees, mountain, it's called a moss. So जब भी पानी moss से covered होता है forest area से और through जो down and down निकल के आता है, तो उस form को हम क्या कहेंगे? वो form होगा I am the mountain stream. It is the mountain stream. उसको हम second form कहेंगे. Now the third stanza. At the foot of mountains, I live from the cliff, spiraling, plugging, and I am the waterfall. This is the third form of water. What is the meaning of spiraling? Spiraling means solid in a round or a cone shape, जहाँ पर water जो है वो solid down होता है round shape में. Plugging, it means throwing forcefully, जहाँ पर water का जो force है वो large quantity में forcefully जहाँ पर जाता है. Tumble, it means roll होना, and down, it means pull toward the something, कहीं पर वो जा रहा है. So यहाँ पर जब वो mountain से निकलकर cliff में होते हुए आगे बढ़ता है, तो उस हम सीरीज को कहेंगे, उस फॉर्म को हम कहेंगे वाटरफॉल, जहाँ पर लार्ज क्वांटिटी में वाटर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर निकलता है. दिस इज द थर्ड फॉर्म. Now some glossaries for you like cascade, waterfall in series, spiraling, it means solid in a round or cone shape, plugging, it means throwing forcefully, tumble, it means roll, and down, it means pull toward the something. So this is the glossary and this is your homework also. You note down this glossary in your notebook and learn it.